Hi, this is Dave Johnston. Thanks for joining me for part one in this 10-part video series that I call The Blueprint to Consistency. What is the one underlying factor behind every poor shot for the once-a-week golfer? Answer: they're confusing cause with effect. They hit balls on the driving range and they seem to be able to fix their swing, but once they get on the golf course, everything falls apart. In this series, I'm going to give you a step-by-step system for making sure that you develop a consistent routine and that you're on the road to constant improvement. So if you're ready to start playing better than you ever thought possible, let's get started.